Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is HBS again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this hot talking oil. This oil, I call this oil Snow White or talking oil. So I'm going to be showing you how I make this oil. If you're interested in this, you want to stay tuned to this video and watch to the end, so that you don't miss out. Okay, so a lot of you have heard and even used this oil, but you don't know what it is and how it's made. So I'm going to be showing you today how to make this oil and what it is. This oil, I call it hot oil because when you put this oil on your palm, you tend to have hot sensation, and that is why this oil is called hot oil. So if you want to know how I make this whitening oil, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So guys, if you're aspiring to be a skincare formulator, you want to join our first training of the year coming up on the 25th of January. You want to join that class because it's going to be an intensive online training. I'm going to teach you how to make all kinds of lotion, all kinds of oils, all kinds of soap. So if you're interested in training with us, use the number shown on the screen to chat me up on WhatsApp to register. Let's dive into the video. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? You want to consider subscribing to this channel. Just use the red button below. Just click on that button and do well to turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time a video is coming from me. All my ingredients are measured out. Okay, right now this is my mulberry powder. Mulberry powder is sensitive to air, so I have to cover it with my thin wrap so that it won't get solidified before I used. So right now I'm just going to be dissolving my powders, then I'll start my formulation. So I'm dissolving my powders with my warm water. The water was heated up and allowed to cool a bit before using it. So right now I'll just be going in with my water to dissolve the mulberry powder. So mulberry powder is a lightening powder, and I'm also using it in this formulation as a natural colorant and also as a whitening powder. So I'll just be dissolving it. So I'll keep stirring until it is totally dissolved. At this stage, you must be wondering why water is involved in this formulation. Okay, so this oil I'm making is actually a water-based. Yes, you heard me right. This oil is water-based. Just stay tuned to know how to make this. So guys, before making a formulation, you want to practice your GMP, your general manufacturing practice, and you want to make sure that everywhere is clean and safe for you to produce skincare products. Here is my Snow White powder. I'm going to be dissolving this with my hot water. So you want to dissolve your powders bit by bit to get the best of it. You want to dissolve it bit by bit, and you make sure you get a clear solution. So guys, this is a formulation. It's not just a DIY, so you have to follow all the steps, because this product I'm about to make, I'm going to be incorporating into my lotion and my other products. Maybe so I'm going to be leaving the recipe on the screen, so you want to watch this video to the end. So guys, here is my propylene glycol, and I have in here my glycerin, which is my base. I also have in here my aloe extract, 99% aloe extract. Then I also have measured out my sodium lactate. So right now I'm just going to be going in with my cheesecloth to sieve in any particles from my powders, because I wouldn't want any particles in my Snow White oil. So if you want to know the reason for all this in formulation, you need to register for our upcoming class that is coming up on the 25th. You want to register for that class if you are interested in skincare formulation. We're going to teach you into detail. You want to learn from an international certified skincare formulator. Yeah, that's me. So that's my Snow White powder. Then right now I'm going to go in with my mulberry powder dissolved in water. I'll be going in with my chelator. So this is my chelating agent dissolved in hot water up to a certain degree. I'm using EDTA. EDTA is a chemical that binds certain metal ions. So I'll be using this as a chelator in this formulation. Like I said, if you want to know all this, you have to register for our upcoming training. It's the first promo training of the year. It's just 10,000 naira and it's going to be starting on the 25th. So this took a while to dissolve. So right now I'm just going to be turning it into my container. Yeah, this is what I have. So in here I have my aloe extract, I have Snow White solution, and I also have my mulberry solution and my EDTA solution. Next on my list is my propylene glycol. It's gonna turn cloudy, then it becomes clear later. So that's my propylene glycol. So moving on, I'll be going in with my next ingredient. My next ingredient is sodium lactate. I'm using sodium lactate as an humectant to lock in moisture to the skin, and then I have to stir very well. So you get bubbles from stirring, then it gets clear over time. I'll be going in with my glycerin, which is my base. So the glycerin is the base for this formulation. So in this glycerin, guys, I have dissolved my licorice extract in my glycerin. So I'm just going to be mixing that in very well. So guys, my Snow White talking oil is almost done. So right now I'll be going in with my essential oil. I'll be using Glang Glang essential oil. I love this oil, it's so fantastic. I love it. I use it in all of my formulation. You want to try it, it's so good. The next ingredient, which is the last, is going to be my preservative. So our liquid Germa Plus preservative for water-based product comes in handy today. So I'll be using 0.5% of liquid Germa Plus preservative. So I'm just going to mix in well. Wow, this oil is beautiful, so beautiful. So when you go to the market and you see a blue oil, you see a red oil, purple, and so on, this is exactly how this oil is made. So you can make yours with any natural color of your choice. So I'm just going to go in with my stick blender. This is totally optional. I just feel the need to use my stick blender because of the essential oil in it. So that's that. So right now, this is my oil, and I'll be turning it, I'll be hand pouring it into my 500-gram container. So a lot of people buy this oil from the market. They call it Malaysian oil, Egyptian oil, Moroccan oil, and all kinds of name talking oil, Snow White oil, Afghans oil, and so on. So this is exactly how this oil is made. Okay guys, so if this content has been helpful, kindly thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, and please do all to turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Bye.